Many Google Ads advertisers struggle to get decent reports out of their account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up simple reports which you can use yourself or share with your colleagues by sending out a PDF. Hello, my name is Ozair and thanks for joining in. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way of how to create really engaging and interactive reports which you can use for yourself and for your colleagues. So when you log into your AdWords account or Google Ads, I should say, I keep saying it as AdWords, go to reports and then reports again. You'll come to this dashboard over here. Now there are some predefined reports already set up, or you can create a custom one which meets your or suits your requirements. So I'm going to create a new one, but as you can see there is already one saved in here. So let's go into custom, and now you have a choice of creating a table, line chart, bar chart, pie chart, or scatter chart. I'm going to create a table. You can name it. So let's say this one I want to track conversions. I name it as conversions. Okay, so now you have got the level of detail as one category or section, I should say. If I close that, and then the other one is the performance, targeting, attributes, call details, message details. You've got all of these over here. So you can make as many reports as you like. So there's a lot of information in there. So all I want to worry about is the conversions for now. So first of all, I can put in my campaign. So it comes up here. Then all I do is I'm going to drag conversions, cost per conversions, and conversion rates, or you can drag any of the other metrics as you like. It takes a few seconds for it to update, and there it is. So now I can see in a snapshot how which campaigns are converting, which ones aren't. You can create filters, you can sort them out by high to low or low to high. So now I can see that my campaign, this campaign has got so many conversions, conversion rate, and the cost per conversion. So this now is ready to be saved. I can either save or save as. I'm going to save as conversions. That's saved. Now when I go back to my reports section, you'll see that my report for conversions is there already. So let's show you another dashboard. So with dashboards, you can also create a bird's eye view of your campaign performance. Again, you can bespoke it, custom design, or create whichever metrics you want to put on them. So you can either do a new dashboard or open sample dashboard. So let's open up a sample one and see what we've got. So here we have custom scorecard, which shows me the cost, interactions, interaction rate, or the click-through rate, impressions. I've got the daily cost by device. Again, I can customize this report quite easily. Then you've got the interaction rate and cost by device, and the campaign performance at the bottom. The good thing about the dashboard is when I change the date, it's going to change the data, and then it's going to compare it to that previous date period. Again, this is a great way to eyeball all the important metrics in the dashboard, and you can create one over there. Let's create another report very quickly. I'm going to find out which are my best performing keywords with the best quality score. So I've got the quality score over here. So with quality score, as you know, that there are three metrics which Google looks at to give a good or a bad quality score. First is the ad relevance, landing page experience, and the expected click-through rate. So again, we go to my campaign. Then I will put in my keyword. So all I'm doing is making a column as to which campaign that keyword is in. Or I can put in an ad group as well. So I can drag a ad group between them. And then, where is that one gone? There you go. Ad relevance. So now I've got my campaign, ad group, keyword, ad relevance, landing page experience, expected click-through rate. If I want to find out a metric, instead of going through all these drop downs, I can go in the search and I can type in the attribute, place it there so I can see what the quality score is for that keyword. And now I can filter it from high to low. So now I can see that all of these keywords are fine. So where there is a problem, I can then go into that keyword and look at where the problem may be, whether it's on the ad or the landing page or the expected click-through rate. And then I can make the changes or make the adjustments. So once you got your report or the table which you were designing, you can then either download it as a CSV, Excel, or whichever format you want to download it as, or even a PDF, or you can schedule it so that it can be either emailed to you once daily, weekly, or every first of the month. So this is how you create your scheduling and downloading of these reports. So I hope you found this video useful. If you would like to be notified of other videos like this one when I upload, please click the subscribe button and do put in a comment if you would like me to create other videos like this one. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.